welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am gonna go ahead and do a moving out deep clean. My family and I have recently moved to a different part of Denver, so today I do need to go ahead and give our apartment a good old-fashioned deep clean. I'm definitely a mess today, but that's okay because I'm just gonna be getting down and dirty. So I figured I'd go ahead and turn the camera on and take you guys along with me. Leave in the comments down below if you guys are moving, or go ahead and introduce yourself. I'd love to get to know you. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and consider subscribing, and let's hop into this video. Okay, so the apartment is now empty. There are just a couple of things that I need to get done. The first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is just open up everything just to make sure that we got all of our belongings out. And I'll go ahead and do an overview of what needs to be done today. Looks like I need to do some cleaning. It's really embarrassing, but this is real life of what I need to go ahead and get done. This apartment really did treat us really well. I loved it. It was so close to Pearl Street, which is a little shopping district. But this is what needs to be done today. Like I said, it's kind of embarrassing, but this is real life. Let's open up these windows. Get some air going. Such a beautiful day. This was our view from our living room. I'm really gonna miss it. That's our main highway in Denver, I-25. This place treated us really well. But we needed something bigger for 2 girls and 2 dogs. So, all right, let's get into it. So editing this back, I realized it's been like 2 weeks since I actually filmed this video, possibly even 3 weeks. So I do apologize. I am new to YouTube, so I am still learning how to edit, what software I want, and all of the bells and whistles to those softwares. So I came across this video. Even though we are already moved in, I wanted to still produce this content because I found it super relaxing and satisfying to watch, and I hope you guys do too. I'm just gonna go ahead and let a lot of the music just play. If you are moving or you need to clean right alongside me, please do, and let's continue watching this video. I feel like I'm a pretty clean person for the most part, but looking back at this, and even when I was cleaning it, I was seriously just mortified at how gross it was. Baseboards are something that people don't often think about cleaning, obviously myself included. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the kind of dirt and grime that I pulled up. I hope this gives you some motivation. And I brought my tripod and I brought my camera to film, only to find out there was no SD card in it. So I'm filming with my cell phone. So I personally don't ever use the self-cleaning option on my stove. I really just don't like the way it makes my entire house, clothes, you name it, smell. I've made that mistake in the past, so I don't do it. But for this video, I went ahead and just used the self-cleaning option just because none of my items were in the apartment, so I honestly didn't care too much about the smell. For those of you that already watch my content and videos, you know that vacuum lines are my favorite, but scrubbing a sink or a bathtub comes in a very close second.